we've got a bit of an intake leak, so yeah, we're just putting some of this magic hose on, replacement new hose, and yeah, give it a little fix, which will hopefully stop the hunting idle. Yeah, I'm qualified at bodge jobs. I've got a first class degree in bodge job mechanics. The other thing we noticed as well is we've also got studded tyres. I thought we had nails in our tyres. We've actually got studded tyres in the front, which is good. Give us a bit of grip. The gas mileage isn't very good on it. We lost quite a lot of fuel already.
Yeah, well, we lost quite a lot of fuel trying to get out of the ditch.
Very true. So yeah, we're halfway between Vilnius and Kaunas. Got about 50 miles to go. Just filling up some juice in the old Zim Zimmer, as you can see there. So yeah, I managed to fix the leaks from earlier on the intake, and it actually is idling properly now. So yeah, just gonna go and get the diff welded, and yeah, do some skids. Never seen him do so many meals out of one hot dog. So yeah, we're down at Team B. Bought the old trusty E36. We got Arnus and Julius down there, busy working away. So yeah, we're down at Team B. They're gonna take the diff out, weld it up for me so I can hopefully do some fat skids and not crash. But yeah, see how it goes. Team B has kindly welded our Cusco 7-way MZ diff, and yeah, now we're going to go and test it out and see what happens.
Can you feel the difference?
Amazing, man. Happy. Emma's happy. Emma even said this is much better. Yay! Proper drift car. Sick.
Like a welded smile.
Oh. Hey! He's alright, man. What did you clip? It's not too bad, man. It's not that bad, but the head is. Oh yeah. So the problem is the red shaft
Just the corner.
and the water pump is touching the radiator fan. I can do that hashtag, it wasn't me.
That's alright.
Oh, that's it. Sweet. So yeah, luckily for me, even though my skidding was a little bit weak, but yeah, chap here, go hard or go home. And we're home. Yeah, no, very kindly he got rescued by his friend in his LS400. So we got boss tow car.
Not the first time he's towing us.
Yeah, and it's not the first time, and it won't be the last time he's towed him anyway. But yeah, cool. Good morning from Mr. Croissant Mouth. We've had about 2 hours sleep. Small Small drift crash last night, which meant we were back at about 7. Well, I don't know what time it is. It's now about 12, so yeah, we had about 2-3 hours sleep. Anyway, we're off to do the city race, which isn't in the city, funny enough. It's actually at, was it an airport?
Yeah, it's an old airfield.
It's an old airfield, but it's all snow cover, and then yeah, I should be able to sort of go really fast and hopefully not kill myself. But yeah, we're on our way now. Should be there in about 5 minutes. Just having a quick coffee, and yeah, see you all there. Peace. Baby! Ai, ai, ai.
How's your racing experience?
Man, I'm disappointed. Really good fun. But yeah, my third go, which was my fastest go, I fucking got stuck in the snow, as you can see. And this kind gentleman got me out. As I was in first and not reverse. Sorry, man.
No problem.
Stupid.
No problems.
I was just trying to gun it the last go, you know, just to get a good time, but...
Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah.
We saw it from the beginning.
I was doing well to the last place.